Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about string class and string class methods. So we'll start with the string class. We already seen strings being used in many programs. The strings is a collection of sequence of characters. So if you want to store sequence of characters, you use string such as name, URL, everything you can use string to store. Next thing which we need to understand about string is string is an immutable class, which means once you declare the object, you cannot change the particular value. Only you will create a new object if you try to change its value. That's how the immutable objects will work in Java. And next thing to understand about string is how string is allocated memory. So strings, when you declare a string, a heap memory in heap memory, a string constant pool is created. So in the string constant pool, the strings will be created. So for example, if you have two strings with the same values, then only one value will be created in the string constant pool. So there will be a memory management better way. And next thing to understand about strings is next thing is string literals in strings can be initialized by using the string literal syntax with double quotes, or you can use the new operator in the constructor. You can initialize string, or you can use uh, the text block syntax in which you can give multiple lines of strings in the declaration. So that's how we can declare strings. And next thing to understand is the plus operator, how it will work. For addition and all, it will for numeric values it will work like to add, but for strings it will work like an append operation. So it will work append the particular string to one another, and that's how string append operation will work in string. And next we will discuss about some of the string class methods. We will start with caret. So caret will return the particular character at the particular integer we are specified. And next method is length. So length will return the total length of the particular string. Next method is format. So format method is used to format the particular string according to particular formatting option which you want to provide. So you can see the parameter like that. And next method is substring with single parameter. So substring with single parameter will split the string from that particular position to till the end of the string, and that's how the substring single parameter will work. Next method is substring with two parameters. Here you can see there is two parameters, so it will split from the particular first parameter till the second parameter. Next method is boolean contains, so it will check whether the particular string is contains in the particular in their string in a particular character sequence is present in the particular string. And next is join method. Join method is to join string with other delimiters, and we can also use append and prefix and suffix to this. That's also available in join. And next method is equals. Equals will check the equality of the particular string and check whether a particular string is equal to the other string. Next method is isEmpty. IsEmpty will check whether the string is empty or not, whether there is any value in the string or not. It is not check for null. Null means the particular string is pointing to nothing. And next we will discuss about Concat. Concat will use the concatenation, which means it will append the one string to the other string. Next string method we will discuss is replace. Replace will replace the particular character sequence which we provide, and with the particular old one with the new one, and like that. And next method is equals ignore case. Equals ignore case will check for the equality, ignoring the ignoring the case of the particular string which we passed. And next is the split method. Split method will split the string into an array. It will return an array and it will split based on the delimiter or whatever the value of the string which we supplied. Next method to discuss is index of. Index of will return the particular index of the particular string or the subsequence in the particular string which we provide. And the next method is two lowercase, and two lowercase will return you the lowercase representation of the particular string. And next method is two uppercase, so uppercase will return you the uppercase of the particular string. And next method is trim. Trim will remove the trailing spaces from the particular strings. And next method is value of in value of, which will give you the integer value of the particular uh, string which you will pass. And that's how the some of the methods in the string class. Now let us see some programs based on string class. Now in this program you will have three different syntaxes for initializing a string. So here you can see in this program in the main method I have declared three strings S1, S2 and HTML. S1 is using the normal literal syntax with double quotes I am using to initialize the string. Another operation is the new operator, new string of. Like that also you can initialize string. And finally there is the text block syntax. So it was introduced later into Java text block. This feature allows us to have multiple line strings into Java. So you can see before text blocks you have to put a slash n to separate each line, and we have to append everything into a single line, and it was very difficult to manage. So after that now this text block syntax is came. So the important thing to understand about text block syntax is for first line three codes should be only there, nothing should be there on the first line. After that the next line onwards you can give the values whatever you want to provide for the particular lines, and after finally you have to close that particular triple quotes. Like that you have to close. So that is the syntax for text blocks. And let us see the output of this program. Here I'm just printing the values. Now let us see the output. So the output has came. You can see the multi-line comments has also came. HTML comments are also came. So this text blocks is used to store details such as HTML comments, SQL statements which has multiple lines. Some of the statements if they have multiple lines, we can use this text block syntax to store and to declare the particular value. And now let us see another program based on string class methods. Now let us see another program based on string class methods. So in this program, we'll explore some of the other methods in the string class. So here you can see, I'll start with the caret method. So caret method will return the character specified in the particular value index. And next method is code pointed. So code point will return the Unicode value of the particular string, a particular value alphabet in the particular string that will be returned. And next method is concat. So concat will concatenate the particular string. It's like work like the plus operator, which is overloader. So like that also we can work. Next method is contains. So contains will check whether the particular string is contains a particular value. So like that we can test it. And finally we have the ends with method. So ends with method will check whether the particular string will end with a particular value supplied. That's it for this program. Let us see the output of this program. So the output has came as per expected. One by one we have to check. So you can see and the values are getting printed. Concatenated value is coming, and switch is working, and the index of is also working. Character is working. So all the values are getting printed. So that's it for this output of this program. And now let us see another program based on string class methods. Now let us see another program based on string class method. So in this program we will discover more string class methods. So here you can see the program. I have declared an string here, and after that I am using the index of method. First I am using the equals to check whether the particular string is equals to another string, and after that I am using the index of method to check whether a particular character sequence is present in the particular string. So you heard about character sequence. Character sequence is an interface which is implemented by the string class. So what happens is you can replace wherever the character sequence is there you can use the string as its form type. So that is possible. And next is join method. So join method is used to you can keep supply the delimiter followed by the parameters which you want to join. It is a static method in the string class. And the next method is last index of. So last index of will return you the last index of the particular string which you character sequence which you provided. And finally we have the length method which will return the length of the particular string. Now let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the output as came one by one, each values are getting printed. So let us see another program based on string class methods. Now in this program let us see more string class methods. So this will be the final program of this lecture. So let us see the program. So here I am declaring a string, and I am using the replace method to replace a particular string in the particular declared string. So like that it is replacing. And next method is substring. So substring will return you the particular till the index from the string to the till the end of the string. Whatever the string substring will be generated, it will be printing. And next method is starts with. So starts with will check whether the particular string will start with the particular character sequence which is provided. Next method is to lowercase. So it will convert the string into a lowercase representation. So all the uppercase characters will be converted into lowercase. And next method is split method. So split method will where I'm passing the space as the delimiter. So if you pass it like that, then the string will be splitted into multiple halves with the space separating them. So the array will be generated. So the generated array you can iterate using an answer for loop. For loop. So let us see the output of this program. Here you can see the output. Everything is been last index of and equals everything is working, and the split method also is showing the output. So that's it for this program. So in this lecture we are seeing about string class methods, and we have discovered about strings, how the strings are working. So strings use a specific area in the memory called as string constant pool. So while creating strings, multiple strings are with the same value, then it will be stored into a single place in the memory which is in the string constant pool. So we learned about strings and its various methods. I have no time to cover all the string methods. There are a lot of methods in the string class still, and why you have to discover one by one when you have time. Thank you for watching this lecture. I will come back with another lecture.